Mayong adlaw higala, this is your Maestra Judy. We have another video series, and that is Let's Make Sentences in Bisaya-Cebuano. This is broken down into 5 parts. So this is the first part, the part 1. We will be talking about the basics. Okay, so I have here a table that has all the details that we will be using all throughout the video series. Okay, so in this table, we have the nouns, pronouns, the location, the object, and the adverb of time. Okay, so for this part 1, I'm going to share with you 2 sentence formula. The first one is the subject sentence formula. The second one is the verb sentence formula. The difference of the two is that for the verb sentence formula, we will just need to put the verb at the very beginning. We will use past, present, and future tenses. For past tense, we will use ni. For present tense, we will use nag. Please take note that nag can be present or past tense. And then the last one, we have the future tense. We will use mo or mag. Mga higala, build your verb vocabulary using these flashcards. We have digital and laminated flashcards available on the shop. Links are at the description box just below the video. Now let's go back to our lesson. Okay, so let's start with the subject sentence formula. We have C plus noun plus verb plus og and plus the object. Okay, so we have C plus our noun here. We have Alan and Justin. So I'll just use Alan. And then let's go to the verb. I will use sayaw in past tense here. So we have here si Alan ni sayaw. And then og. You must put og if there is an object, because og is an object marker. So the name of the song here will be our object. Okay? Si Alan ni sayaw og, what did he dance? So he danced. Let's go to the object row. Macarena, the dance song. Okay? Si Alan ni sayaw og Macarena. So basically, Alan danced the Macarena. For the verb sentence formula, we will just put the verb at the beginning, then si, and then the noun, Alan, and then og, and then Macarena. Nisayaw si Alan og Macarena. For us, locals, we tend to use the verb sentence formula if there is a verb. So some will use si, the subject sentence formula, like this one, si Alan, nisayaw og Macarena. But most of the time, we use nisayaw si Alan og Macarena. Okay? Both are correct, by the way. So both are correct. So you can choose which one. But I personally prefer using the verb sentence formula. All right? Now, I want you guys to practice using the formula provided. List all possible sentences from the table in past, present, and future tense. What we will do now is practice, okay? This will be the time that you will force yourself to write it down using the formulas and the table that is provided. For now, our sentence formula is short. As we move to the next episode, the formula will become longer. In the part 2, we will add the location. Part 3, we will add the adverb of time. And then part 4, we will be using pronouns instead of nouns. And then part 5, it will be a review of all the answers. So please do your assignment. Write down your answers and keep it. We will build up the sentences in each episode. And in the part 5, we will have a review of all the answers. And you will be able to check all your answers in part 5. I really encourage you, Higala, to really finish the video series. If you have any question, there is a chat box that you can use. Use that chat box for faster communication. Daghang salamat. Ayaw ug kalimot, don't forget to check out the part 2 of this video lesson series. Kita-kita ta dito. Bye!